All right, so here it is mid-June, and we're getting an update here on the garden. The rabbits have been just tearing stuff up, but we got our sweet potatoes doing pretty well. I've been out here watering them at night. We got some cucumbers starting. The rabbits just annihilated all of my beans that I planted, all my pole beans. We got squash is just starting to pop here. All the fruit trees are doing good. The okra's kind of struggling, but it's getting hot. Now that I got them mulched, I think they're going to start doing a little better. Man, these beets really took off. I've been sort of eating through them and thinning them out, eating beet greens throughout the day, but I am going to have to start really getting in here and picking some of these. You'll see they're getting pretty meaty. I don't know at what point they're going to start getting real fibrous, but I have had that happen before. So probably going to harvest some of these, start eating them for dinner. The lettuce is pretty much going for seed. We fortunately didn't make good use of that as it was all came ready all at once. Same for our dill and our cilantro. The tomatoes are doing well. I've got them in my 8-foot tomato cages. Looking forward to watching breaching the top of it later this year. And then we got our winter squash back here doing pretty well as well. So let's get to harvesting some beets. All right, well that should be a good pot of beet greens for the night and some roasted beets. Really to last us for a few days, so I'm gonna leave the rest of these. I'm gonna continue watering them as we're not getting rain and just harvest them as fast as we can eat them. Thanks for watching.
No problem.